Welcome to ATP Customs. Today we are featuring a friend of mine's 51 GMC Shortbox that he would like to sell. So we're going to give him a hand trying to sell this thing. And I'll give you a rundown on what I can remember he's done. He's done a lot to this thing. By the looks of it, every panel is new. It's got all new fenders, box sides, tailgate, doors, fenders are all brand new. The entire chassis, which I will get underneath it in a second, is brand new. Everything under there has been restored. New exhaust, all new brakes, suspension, kingpins, shocks is all original, brand new. The motor is a little bit newer. It's from I think 61 or 62, I believe he said. It's a 235 6-cylinder, still has the original transmission, has all brand new glass for this thing, all new seals. The wood bed is finished. The original gauges were restored. It's had new cab corners, new running boards. There's been, all the floors have been repaired. This thing is a beautiful project. He's done all the hard work. You get to do the easy stuff. Let's have a look under the hood. Wow, hood opens nice too. 235, look at that. The original radiator was rebuilt and restored. That is a new alternator, a new belt. Beautiful project. Somebody looking for one? You can check us out at atpcustoms.com. That is nice. Let's have a look underneath this thing. I'll go around the other side, grab my flashlight. Oh, let's see how this door opens. The doors open really nice. They line up beautifully. Nice. Still has the 6-bolt wheels on it. Yes, it does. All new brake lines. Wow. I love these original trucks. Well, I'll get under the back with a flashlight and we'll have a look at this thing. There you go. Not much left to do but paint it and finish it off. Everything is done. So there you go. 1951 GMC 9300 going up for sale. If you want to know more about this thing, contact atpcustoms.com, or you can reach out to us on our Instagram, ATP Customs Limited on Instagram. We have our profile set on private, clean profiles only, please. Thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe. There'll be a lot more of these coming out of Vernon, BC soon.